To edit the lock screen clock on POCO F7 Pro, first of all we need to go to settings. Scroll down in the settings in order to find personalization and then choose it. Now we can tap on our lock screen in order to edit it, and then you can, for example, customize the current lock screen. In this case we can tap on this section here. So now we can tap on the clock in order to customize, for example, the font. You can customize the content. So for example, you can split the time into 2 lines, and that is pretty much it. In addition to that, of course, we have some wallpaper effects and font effects here. So you can, for example, choose a color. You can customize it a little bit. You can also create your own gradient or something, and that's pretty much all. However, if we go back to this screen, then we have different presets as well, and different clocks too. So if you prefer to use, for example, this huge clock, or this one over here, or anything else that you like from any of these pre-made options, then of course you can use them as a basis. So you can customize this one, and of course, as you can see, we have our clock here. We can customize it pretty much like this. You can also use the depth effect, and you can change the wallpaper if you actually wanted to use anything else. And if you made some changes, if you want to save it, we can press apply here in the top right corner. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.